Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Google Pay account is verified and has an active payment method. This avoids delays. Next, decide the gift amount and confirm the recipient email or phone. You need this to deliver the card. Open the Google Pay app or go to Pay. Google.com, then select Send, Gifts, or Buy a gift card. Once you tap the gift card option, choose Google Play or Google Pay Gift and proceed to the payment selection step to continue the transaction. Once the gift card screen appears, pick the card type and set the amount. You can schedule delivery or send immediately. Add a short personalized message so the recipient recognizes the gift and double-check the email or phone. Mistakes block delivery. Then review any purchase limits or fees and choose your payment method from saved cards or bank accounts. Finally, verify billing details and authorize the charge. You may need to enter your password or use biometric confirmation to complete the payment. You finish by confirming the transaction receipt and saving the order ID. This is critical if something goes wrong. Make sure the recipient received the email or text with the gift code and ask them to redeem it in the Google Play or Google Pay wallet. If the code doesn't work or the message never arrived, check spam folders, verify the correct contact was used, and ensure there are no payment holds. If needed, contact Google Pay support with your order ID for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.